Now in the tooltip location, you make it a count. Okay, so what you can see is that the people who have provided the details are from these areas. Okay, so they are the ones who have kind of given their properties are listed. Okay, so you can see from UK you have so many, from Switzerland you have 3, from Europe USA, US 54, Canada 1, then you have Argentina 4, Colombia 5, so like that. For Australia it's 1, okay, from Thailand 1, like that you have it. So this is the distribution, that how these properties are hosted as in who are the hosts, where are the hosts distributed. Okay, so this is another way of looking at the map. This is field map, and I have another one which is ArcGIS map. Okay, so over here what you can do, you can first put the placeholder here. Okay, here you have latitude. Okay, you can put the latitude field here. Here you have longitude, you can put the longitude field here. Okay, fantastic. Okay, size is number of property, listing ID. So this is basically, size is the ID. Okay, so the bigger the size, bigger the number of properties available. Okay, now you can zoom in as well to see that how distributed. Okay, now how it is. And color what I will do is that color I will make it the price. So price is the color. So not price, I will make it as average price. Okay,